Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update.
Laid off, internships terminated, PPOs and jobs delayed? Wondering how you can find a job in these uncertain times? In this video, we have some solutions for you. Not all MBAs get into FANGs of the world. By FANGs, we mean the Facebooks, Amazons, Netflix and Googles of the world. So, how do you find a good job digitally? Let's check out the 5 ways to do this. Number 1. Look at freelance remote work opportunities. Let's admit it. Due to the global pandemic, the economy is bound to get affected, and with that, the job market too. In fact, there might be fewer opportunities out there right now and in the near future. So, why not shift to freelance? There's many a website like AngelList where you can find freelance and remote work opportunities. In fact, you can also sign up on the Campus Conversations app by Inside IIM if you are an MBA student looking for opportunities. Don't forget to check it out. Reach out to recruiters on these websites and take the freelance route when finding a job seems difficult. Number 2. Use LinkedIn and social media. Sounds easy, right? Well, not quite. First, you have to shortlist the right opportunities that fit your profile and interests. Then, you have to find people from your shortlisted companies on LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, etc. and connect with them. Next, you shoot out messages to these people and ask for a reference. But do not spam these people. This exercise will help you connect with the right people digitally, and you never know when that will be useful for you. Number 3. The Nina Mufleh way. Nina wanted to get into Airbnb. She tried to get in touch with the company through emails and job listings, but no luck. Nina then decided to take her prep up a notch. She created a stunning resume that mirrored the Airbnb website at the time. Nina had approached Airbnb many times but never got shortlisted for an interview. But with this digital resume, she not only shared her profile and her experience, she also shared her insights about the travel industry and how Airbnb could perform better. So how did this help her land a job at Airbnb? Her digital profile showed the company her commitment, ownership, and her ability to strategize. In fact, she got interview calls from Uber and LinkedIn as well. You too can build a digital resume or profile showcasing your work and achievements. Share art, music, projects you have worked on, blogs you have written, or photos and videos you have made. Dress up your profile for the job you want. Get noticed by recruiters for being proactive. Number 4. Use Reddit and Quora. Do you remember seeing questions like how to get into Google, how to get into Amazon, how to get into McKinsey on popular discussion platforms like Reddit and Quora? Check out the answers to these questions. They are written by experts who might have worked in these companies. So how does this help you find a job? Well, just like what you did using LinkedIn, you can reach out to these people asking for a reference. Chances are, they'll help you get in touch with the company HRs to find work. Number 5. Reach out to the college alumni network. If you are a student in some of India's top B schools, you will have an access to a vast alumni network. After shortlisting which companies you wish to work for, reach out to your school alumni, ask for reference. This will definitely help you land that job you need. So, these are the 5 ways you can get hired digitally. Make your own profile, stand out by building a website and linking it to your social media, etc. Reach out to recruiters on AngelList and choose to freelance. Connect with recruiters via LinkedIn or social media. Connect with employees and ask for reference through Reddit and Quora. Reach out to your college alumni network. We hope you liked the 5 things we mentioned. In the comment section below, tell us what are the things you are doing to find a job digitally.